guys, Engaged Industries here. We did some muzzle flash testing the last couple nights, and we had some very interesting results. And stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll see what the results are. But I just want to go over what we did here. So we made sure the testing was completely unbiased, made sure we wiped out all the variables that could take place. So what we have here is, well, the first night we used this table behind me. We had the AR set up on that, and it kept moving back on us every time we shot. So we got ourselves a better platform, one a little more stable, and basically what we did is we just bolted the gun right to this wooden platform, and it worked out great. The rifle never moved, and we were able to keep our camera focused and steady the whole time. But what we did here is we had the camera set up about a 45-degree angle from the end of the suppressor, and we took a 2-second exposure. And what that does, that gets the full waveform of the flash coming out of the suppressor. You can't really test muzzle flash using high speed because then you're not getting the full flash waveform. All the suppressors we tested, they were brand new. Before we did the muzzle flash testing, we put 20 rounds, so we did a box of ammo through each suppressor just to make sure that if there's any factory oil, grease, anything in the suppressor from brand new, we wanted to make sure we burned all that out. We didn't want to put a fresh brand new suppressor on there and have some oil residue, which could distort the testing. So the test that we did here last couple nights was visible light testing. We haven't done IR infrared testing, and we haven't done thermal testing yet. So this is just visible light. And what we do is we put the suppressor on, we load 1 round in the chamber, we fire it, we use that 2-second exposure time to capture the flash. And then what we do is we open the chamber and we flush the entire rifle out with air. So what that does is that gets fresh oxygen in the system. So when we put the next suppressor on for testing, there's no propellant gases left in the barrel here, which can distort the muzzle flash. Muzzle flash testing, we only do the first round flash. That's really the only one that's important. That's going to be the flashiest one, and that's just because we have all that fresh oxygen in the barrel and in the suppressor to combust. So you're going to have the biggest flash coming out the end. After you shoot the first round and you move on to the second round, now you have a bunch of propellant gas in the barrel and in the suppressor, and your muzzle flash will be significantly lower on the second round and beyond that. So each suppressor we put on here, we made sure that the system was totally free of any propellant gases. We blew it out with air, 2-second exposure on every one, and we got some really interesting results. And that being said, let's show you the results here. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video here, and I hope you found this information useful. And we'll be doing some more testing like this in the future, and we'll release some more test results for you here. Appreciate it, you guys, and thanks for watching.